Good evening! Kain tayo, early dinner. Ito lang yung dinner ko. Very light. Okay lang naman kasi matulog naman tayo mamaya. At saka, plain water for tonight. Diet daw pag may time. So, ito guys ha. Fruit cake. Yan. Yan. So, nakain ko na yung isang slice. So, ito na yung pangalawang slice. Diba? Ang sarap. Yummy, yummy. Good for my tummy.